first day of beans and we're rocking and rolling. Got the little man here sound asleep. These beans here, they're really, really tall and thick. So we're just creeping along at about 3 miles an hour. Go from there. It's really dusty. Really dusty. Anywho. Well, thank goodness for auto steer. Because we can't see a whole lot of anything out the windshield. Combining at the home farm here. These are replant beans, so we had to come in and replant on top of the beans that were already coming up because of a cold streak, and so they're running okay. It's been really dry. This farm is really good for weathering dry weather, so they're not a complete disappointment, but they're very green stems in the bottom. It's using all the 425 horse this combine's got. So I'm not trying to push it. Plugged the combine once already today, and don't want to dig it out the second time. So Jacob is down there running buggy, and oh, it's saying we're full. We're gonna try and go a little further. He's down there running buggy. Truck drivers take the truck in. So, yeah, we'll see how far we get. We'll see what goes on. But, anywho. Kind of trooping along here. Got, little bit different monitor for mapping, so I don't think it's doing what it's supposed to, but I don't know how to use it. So anyways, we have auto steer, and that's the main thing, and our losses are very minimal, so I think we got it set. Anyways, we're gonna cruise along here with this and get some beans off, go from there. Anywho.
I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, cause we're proud to be.
Cruising down the road. Gonna go try beans again. We got a little bit of rain. Hopefully they're dry enough but not too wet. They'll be likely nicer than they've been for moisture. They've been too dry. Yeah, we're just cruising down the road here. Cruising down the road with the combines always can be nerve-wracking at times. Depends who's coming at you. Ours is a little wider than most, so anywho. Picking off little fields today. It's all we got left. Everything we got left now is under 27 acres. So get a whole bunch of little ones done today and go from there. It's supposed to rain overnight tomorrow, so that'll shut us down for a little bit again. But we'll see where it goes.